Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Claude once again. Before anything else, if you are new in this channel, please do like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you will get notified whenever I have a new video. And yeah, so my content is all about fashion. I do reviews, things, and uploaded exciting things and non-exciting things. Yeah. Moving on, I previously uploaded a video of Teddy Blake Eva handbag, and please do check that one out. And today I am going to show you the Cathy handbag of, it says, my phone says, there's no network, try again. I don't need a network. God. Okay, so I am going to show you guys the Cathy handbag of Buti. I've ordered the bags, the Eva and the Cathy from Teddy Blake, but I found it out. I do apologize, I didn't know. So I found out that there is a Buti Canada online website. I'm going to link that down below. Please do check it out if you're interested to own this type of handbag. I'm going to show you that one in a bit. So I am so excited on this one because they are really my first pieces of Italian product. Italian product. I love the craftsmanship. I love the simple design, of course, and let's dive into it. Most of you guys, it is not a secret that this is the Cathy handbag. Okay, look at this. It really looks like a Birkin, you guys, but this is not the Birkin. I've seen Birkins and the quality of the leather, this one is really good quality, don't get me wrong, but it's not the same as the Birkins. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. So this one is the Cathy 12. The color is powder blue, that's what it's called, with Stampatto leather. So the leather type is more like pebble texture type of leather, and then it comes with a silver hardware. I really love this one because it's so pretty. Casual look, has casual office for spring and summer. I really do love this one. Back then when I have been working in an office, I always use this one. It's so beautiful, and yeah, it's very like nice. I have this one 3 years or so. Yeah, this is the I do apologize for that one. I don't have the those pillow bags that they put, so I just put this tissue paper in there. So the bag is like this, it looks like this. So it comes with this charm like key right here. This is the key right there. It's a really sturdy key, like it's like a key of my caban back then. And then of course a padlock. So it's pretty plain. The padlock is just plain white silver tone metal, and here the silver tone right here comes with this name. Oh, there's so many marks, sorry. Okay, so it's cleaner now. Okay, so you see it's Buti, made in Italy. I misplaced the strap. If you guys have been watching my video, I normally don't use the thin strap because it hurts. I get like bruises in my shoulder and in my arms, so I use thick strap. So it is somewhere, I promise, but it comes, this beautiful piece comes with a strap, this padlock, and the strap is adjustable too with a powder blue color. The inside looks like this, comes with 3 pockets. There's a really beautiful side pocket right here and here. Oh, I still have the cards. So I still have the Buti card. Legit, baby, legit. Yeah, and the Buti, made in Italy. So yeah, I like to keep things here because you know, whenever I sell them, they have the proof of authenticity. Okay, so there's a slide pocket, zip pocket right here in the other side. The other side is two pockets right here. This one is smaller, this one is a little bit wider, and you can put like your coin first right here. I normally put my car key wallet here and with my house keys, and then this one are more like my cell phone. The wallet is in the zip side because it's closer to my body. You can put a lot of stuff here, but of course when you put a lot of stuff, you cannot close it like this. You can only carry it like this, like that. But it's really beautiful. Anyhow, I haven't mentioned, so this one inside is a really beautiful suede, like authentic suede. It's kind of like easy to clean, to be honest to you. Just have like a damp cloth and clean that one up and it's good. Sometimes I normally have that organizer that I put in here, so it's also doesn't fold as much, the leather, but this one is heavy already, and if I put that one, there's not much you can put, and then it just add weight, so so purposely bought it small because I don't really carry more stuff anymore. Back then when kids were smaller, I carried more stuff, but now that they're way bigger, they're God, time flies so fast. They can carry their own stuff now, so I carry much smaller bags. So this is it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that this one have a leg protector, so it's very beautiful because the surface doesn't get scratched. Beautiful. I actually use this one very much. It's still good and beautiful because every time I set it away or set it aside, I always clean them. I shampoo them with a little shampoo and conditioner before you put it away. Of course, this one helps. Like that. Now, the next one I'm going to show you is the same Cathy, but this one is more like closest to my heart that I barely wear it. This one. Look at that. So this one is the Cathy 12 in vintage leather. Again, it comes with a strap, but look at that. It's chocolate brown. This one comes with, if not mistaken, it comes with camel, but I picked the vintage dark brown color because it's very classic and I love that. Okay, so of course, just like the Birkin, like you can close it like that, and just like the other one too, you will see the Buti made in Italy here in the hardware right here, where there's this locked, and the inside is a really beautiful beige, no, not beige, it's more like grayish beige color inside. Look at that. It's very spacious. Wait, this one is heavier. This one is a little bit lighter. The pocket of this one is just two pockets. So this one comes with a zip pocket right here and a very just one large side pocket right here. The other side, side by side, the other one is zip. This one is just an open pocket like that. Comes with, again, comes with a strap, and these are the strap hook right here, and the other side is right here. Handle seems still pretty beautiful because when I use this one, I wrap it with handbag scarf. I am very careful of this one because of the leather itself. I barely see a handbag like this. It's all more like fun color. It's very modern. It's very very chic, like an it girl thing. But I really like this one. It speaks so much to me, like brown out. Okay, so where are we? So this one is very it girl, but this one really speak to myself. I really love the the very classic style of it, because I'm the type of person that I like to style but I don't like to blend in. Makes sense. I like to have or to express my own style. Like, you know, I know it is it, but I like to express my own ways to it. If you're into fashion, I know you feel me, girl. You feel me. In rainy days, I don't wear this one, and in very, very hot weather, I don't wear this one, or I don't use this one, because I don't want that the color will depreciate, or I don't want the color will fade away, and when it get wet, actually it will absorb the water. So I am always careful with this one. I only wear this when very seldom days, very seldom. Probably I can let this one go, probably give it to my daughter or whatnot. Again, even though it looks like the Birkin, it is so different from the Birkin. Of course, the quality itself, Birkin have way too different material than this one. I'm not saying it's way less, it's just that you can see the difference. Of course, you're paying way more in that Birkin, but if you guys love this type of tote, this type of handbags, the link down below, check that one out, and it's better than wearing fake ones. I love the style, I love the classic chic style, but I don't see myself wearing or carrying a Birkin bag. I don't think I am that person. Because of that, I choose to buy this one, a real product made, but it's not a fake one. Quality is there, the craftsmanship is there, just different name. You know what I mean? And the price is really worth it because the leather is top quality. I only own 2 of this style because I realized that I don't like as much the way I like the Eva. So that's the reason why I have the Eva style more compared to this one. Comes with plenty of color choices. It comes with plenty of leather styles. Comes with a croc, comes with a python, comes with ostrich. Go pick one. That's it. Hopefully you guys like this video. I'll see you guys soon again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button, and please do leave me a comment. Let's talk. Char. See you guys. Bye-bye. If you want to know what's in my face right now, it's literally very simple. Face powder, lipstick, matte lipstick, Chanel bronzer, and this one, the lashes, which I always put on. I put it by myself. If you want to know how I put this one on, please comment down below.